Hello friends, welcome to BISP Trainings. This is another video in Odoo 13 series. Today I am going to show you how to create a default search filter. In our last video we have created the Kanban view. As you can see here, this is the Kanban view and in the search box there is no filter. Now here you will see the female and the male candidates both are visible. But if I want to see only male candidates by default, whenever I open this page only male candidates should be visible. So we need to add a default search filter like this. Whenever I open this page, only male candidates will be visible, and later on I can filter the data like this. So for this, only two steps we need to follow. First is insert a search tag in XML file. Another is add a search default criteria in record action. So let's see how it is done. First of all, this is our last video, what we have done in our last video. Right now there is no any filter here, you can see no any filter. All the three candidates, one female and two male candidates are visible. So now the step one is insert a search tag in XML file. Insert a search tag in XML file, that is I have already created here. Control C here like this. So what I have done here, default search filter, record ID equal to lead data gender. This is the ID of this record. Everything will be written in record tag only. These are the fields: name equal to lead dot data, the table name, lead data select, architecture XML. After that, this is the search tag. Search, select gender, then filter for male, filter for female. Filter for male is string equal to male, name equal to male, and gender where the value is male. This is just like query. Select the data only where the gender value is male, and here filter for female. Now where does this female and male comes from? Look at this. This is the lead dot data table. While creating the table, we have added one attribute, gender. This is male and this is female. So this male and female comes from that value. Another is we have to add search default criteria. Search default criteria in action tag. Look at this. Record action. I will have to copy here. Here is record action. Inside this, we have to add insert in the context. Search default male equal to male. Search default is a fixed keyword. We have to change this. Right now this male, the word male comes from here. This is the name. And if I want to show only female candidates, then I have to make it like female. So this is the male and this is the value that it will search. So our work is over now. So let's rerun this. Now see, I'm going to apps. Here I am going to upgrade. Here is CRM demo. Now look at this, only two male candidates are visible. And if I cross this search filter, this female candidates is visible. So this is called the default filter. We can add many default filters according to our choice, and the same will be reflected here. I can add here like this: only female candidates, only male candidates. So this is in, if you go to list view also, only two candidates will be seen, that is the male candidates, and in Kanban view also only two candidates. So this is how we add the default male filter or the default filter. Now if I want to make it like female, so I have to make it female here, and here again rerun this. So I'm going to apps, upgrade. See here, only female candidate is visible. So only this change we need to make. We have already written here the criteria where the gender equal to male, gender equal to female. We can add many filters like this only. Now in my next video, I am going to show you how to add the search panel in left side. Suppose if I want to see all those leads that comes from advertisement source or the lead status with unqualified status. So we will add here in the left side the search filter criteria. That is an another tab. So in our next video we will see that. So till then, if you like my videos, please like and subscribe my video. Thank you.